Hi Megan, this is your personalised tutorial on how to clean a laptop screen. Now today I'm using ProCare, which I've stolen from my dad, for the purpose of this tutorial. Inside the ProCare box we have instructions,
Can you call today?
which I have read because I didn't want to seem stupid. Now in my little box of wonders I have a little static dust brush.
Gary, do that. Just do that.
I also have weird to fuck. I have eCare flat screen cleaner. Yeah, comes with a cap too, so you can spill on it. And then I have this strange looking thing, which is a little thingy for triangling stuff, and a little holder for said triangular stuff thingy. Now here we will be cleaning my laptop today. Now, first of all, you must use your little anti-static glue brush with growing hair to take the dust off Megan. Megan is currently eating beans. Now that Megan is dusted, and then put this back, and proceed to take the cap off this and spray her screen. Bollocks. Oh, Megan is now wet. And soaking. I forgot what I was supposed to do next. I've done it wrong. However, you won't. We will now use triangular thing to clean Megan. Fuck you. Megan has come with us. Be sure to get into the corners of Megan to make sure there is no dampness left in her.
Get into all of Megan's crevices.
All of Megan's crevices. We all know Megan. Megan is being a little bit fighty.
Gary, it's clean.
There you have it. Megan is now cleaned and ready to hit the town. I would like to thank ProCare for this. Now you are ready. Enjoy.